Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita in conversation with Dhairya. Hi Dhairya. Welcome to India Today.
Thank you so much for having me on your show. Can't wait to chat more with another.
Glad you are part of this because we need to talk so much. Like finally, after 2 years, the film is about to release. How are you feeling? And the trailer has been received so well. How does that feel?
Yes, absolutely. I think we're all glad that now the time has come because it's been a long wait. I mean, that's exactly what I was chatting with Vishali right now. That it's been a long wait. We've put in a lot of effort, and we are overwhelmed with the love that the trailers got. And I'm sure it'll be the same when you experience it on the big screen, the film soon. So it should be the same. I hope. I'm hoping. We are all hoping for that.
Right. But there were a lot of talks in between, the film will release on OTT, but thank God it's releasing in theaters
No, I
because
think never. I think the team was very clear that it has to be because it's an experience made for the big screen. I mean, this small, although we've survived on OTT the last 2 years, and it's been a refreshing change, and I think it's here to stay. But there are just some experiences just meant for the screen, for the big screen, and you just have to relive all of that. So many generations have been waiting for the story, and I think this story in particular is just made for the big screen.
absolutely I agree. After actually seeing the trailer, I actually feel कि नहीं भाई ये थिएटर के लिए बनी है और कहाँ नहीं देख सकते इसे कहीं नहीं देख सकते इसे.
Absolutely.
That's true.
Absolutely.
So you tell us about your journey with the film because you shot a long time back. But how has been your journey throughout the film?
Just last night, I was just thinking about the whole journey and when it started. And it's been more than 3 years now since the first day I began working on the film. It was September or October of 2018 when I started training for 83.
Oh,
Started with the cricket training, and that went on till I think May of 2019 when we started shooting the film in England, and we completed by October of 2019. And since then, just 2 years, just been waiting, and another 8 months before that, that went into the prep of everything. So it's been 3 years since I've been associated with this film, and just reliving all the moments in my head now, and I can finally now see it on the screen.
it's been. I'm very sure it is very difficult to play Ravi Shastri. Firstly, because he is a left-hander. If I'm not wrong, he's a left-hand bowler,
Yes.
and playing him is firstly an honor. Secondly, a lot of pressure. I'm sure. Please tell us what was your mental state when you were told कि आप रवि शास्त्री play करोगे.
I think Anita, you've perfectly summed it up because it's a big opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime film, but it also comes with huge responsibility because, uh, I mean, for all 14 actors who are playing these legends, uh, and for me, Ravi Shastri, he's an iconic name in Indian cricket, and he's been relevant in the game for the last 4 decades now. He started his Indian cricket journey when he was first selected, I think, in '81. So, and till now, in the middle, from player to in broadcasting, being a successful commentator, he has his. I mean, you have just fans of his commentary, and you
Right.
relive Dhoni's moment when India won the World Cup. It's in his voice. I mean, so his voice is marinated with Indian, just his personality altogether. And then after that, in the capacity of a head coach. So the legend has been involved and he's contributed to the game. He's literally dedicated his life to the sport, to Indian cricket. And he's been relevant for the last 4 decades now.
Yeah.
And there is so much information out there for the fans to see, from his playing career to his personality and everything. So it was a big task in that way. I had to put in a lot of effort, and I hope I've done some justice to the man. I could only do some because there is just so much more to him.
Right.
And yeah, but I've honestly put in all the hard work that I could. And yes, of course, it was a challenge because the first time when I heard about the film, I was very excited that, there's this opportunity and I want to test for it. But when I went back home and I did my research, I was like, oh, he's a right arm batsman and a left arm bowler. So that's where it clicked that, oh, this is a lot of hard work. So I think I even put in about 10 days of work just before I auditioned for the film.
Oh,
Like I would practice for my audition, how to bowl with my left and just get his few personality traits for the audition as well. And then that work just continued for another 8, 10 months into the filming. And but I'm glad we put in all the hard work because what you see on screen is just a lot of love and labor that we put in, and we've just put in our heart and soul, blood, sweat, and tears in it.
right. So how was he? Was he present on field when you were practicing?
Unfortunately, him and Sir Roger Binney, I think these are the only two gentlemen legends that we weren't able to meet. Apart
Oh,
from that, we met the entire team, and also understandably because uh, Ravi sir was the head coach of the Indian team, and when we were filming into 2019 in England, at the same time the World Cup was also on,
oh
so it
yeah.
was just impossible for him to spare some time from his busy schedule.
But did you get a chance to meet him and interact with him before the shoot or during the shoot?
Unfortunately, I haven't been. I'm just so looking forward to. I still have my question.
Oh,
I'm fascinated by his personality, and I'm really looking forward to that day when I meet him in person. But
oh,
apart from that, there were because I had the fortunate opportunity to meet his teammates, the other all 12 of them. So I could have asked my questions from them. Like I could get my answers from his teammates. That how is he like as a personality, as a team player, and everything. All my questions. So that really helped.
right. So are you a little bit nervous that how he will see you or your character, how he
Oh
will
yes,
judge
I think
your character?
me, and I can include all the other 13 as well. All of them, because a lot of people have seen that. Like they've grown up. A certain generation has seen that epic event happening, and then a lot of us have just heard about it.
Right.
Like us
Yeah.
too, we've just heard about it. And of course, because a cricketer will scrutinize cricket so much. And it's the same, like when you're doing an army film, the army personnel will really look into it, of
Yeah.
the technicalities of it. So that's why we put in a lot of effort in the cricket. And I really hope we do justice to these legends. Um, so I am really excited at the same time nervous that, what's his take going to be of his
Right.
action. And so, yeah.
So what is that one nuance of Ravi Shastri that you have, imbibed in yourself, or what is that one thing that you like about him?
I think there are a lot of qualities, but this one quality that I'd want to imbibe, and the journey he's had in his career, where he started off as a bowler, and then he started off as a low order hitting batsman, and then
Mm.
he progressed through his career with middle order, and then he established himself as a solid opener and an all rounder. So he has contributed to the team in all capacities, and he's grown through his career. And that's the parallel I want to draw in my acting career as well. That I've started with smaller parts, but of in great stories, huge films, and I want to build my career as well. Be consistent, make a name for myself. Hopefully, entertain the audience. Be honest, and also the legend. Sir Ravi says it himself that he wasn't particularly talented, but where he excelled was putting in a lot of effort. It was hard work over talent, and I believe the same. I think if you put in a lot of effort and you're honest towards your work or any project that you choose,
Right.
uh, if you do it with all your heart, I think eventually you will get the results. So I would want to imbibe all those qualities and have a similar career trajectory as well.
All right. So, how was the entire atmosphere on the sets of 83? You have firstly, Ranveer is one madcap that you have in the team, and I'm sure it must be, fun on the set. But you, in your words, please describe how was the atmosphere on the sets?
It was one big ball. I mean, we have so much fun. See, every child in this country, the first thing that when they grow up is a bat and a ball. That's the first sport we all know. And we've all played that gully cricket, be it your school, and then you progress and how good you are. Everyone knows cricket and everyone has an opinion on cricket. So,
Right.
we were reliving our childhood days of everyone getting. I mean, when do you get such an opportunity that you're playing cricket and this is your job now? So we
Right.
enjoyed so much of the preparation as well because we enjoyed it so much. That's why even in the long period of training, it really didn't feel like training because everyone, all of us, we just had such a ball preparing for the film. So playing a lot of cricket and then the camaraderie that we all share. Of course, we were training for a couple of hours every day, and then credit to Kabir sir because he felt that that 10-day training camp in Dharamshala would do wonders of how a team would gel together, and that actually
Hmm.
happened when we lived those 10, 12 days together, and then through the shoot, all of us. So we spent a lot of time together, and we were a proper team. Uh, uh, Brotherhood is what we've established. We've pull each other's leg all the time. There is banter happening, fun, cricket, and at the same time, when it's time, it's game time, then you are serious as well. There are leaders in the team who motivate you, and I think Ranveer rightfully played that part as well. Of he is the senior member as to what the credentials he brings to the film as an actor, but also once being part of the team, he was part of the team, and then he took that step forward as well, where he led us as a captain. I mean, we believe that here we could see a leader in him, and all the right qualities of having the right things to say to you. If there is a word of encouragement, and just whatever an apt leader would have, all the qualities. I mean, I could see all of that in him. So he really imbibed Kapil Dev in him, and I'm
Right.
glad we had a leader like him. And personally for me, and having a personality like Ranveer around, there is just so much to learn from him as a professional, as a person, because he is genuinely an all heart, a very warm, kind person. And this humongous star he is, but he'll immediately make you feel comfortable around him. And so he set the tone. He set the tone of gelling with us and then leading when he had to. So it was a perfect. And then starting with Kabir sir, I mean, the visionary, the captain, it's him. It's his story, and kudos to him. I don't. There are only few other. I don't know if there is anyone else who could do this better, and I don't want to imagine it. I can't imagine anyone else. So I'm just glad to be part of this epic story.
Would Ranveer just play music and all, and while when he enters, or just when you're like playing?
Everything. He would hit the nail on its head when I mean the right energy, the right attitude of what the situation required. If it had to be a fun environment, he would be fun, and he can be fun. But at the same time, then just switch gears immediately. Okay, guys, now it's time to concentrate, put in the hard work. And I remember those days when we were shooting those dressing room scenes, and he's cheering us all up because the whole team is down, and you would actually I'd feel goosebumps when I'd hear that, and I still am fondly reliving all those memories, and I just can't wait to see that on the big screen, and I can't wait everyone else to watch it.
This year. We are waiting actually. We are also waiting since last 2 years to see the film because it's been so much talked about, and we are seeing everyone in a different avatar, if I can say that.
Yeah,
it is
absolutely.
challenging, I'm sure, as actors for you all, and it must be nerve wracking also because it's been years now for it to release. But yeah, We all are waiting for it. There for you, when was the first starstruck moment you had on? Did you have it on this set or anywhere else?
I'd say when we started shooting the first filming day, we were all in our characters, and I just looked around, and in comes Ranveer walking. I was like, and but I couldn't see Ranveer. I was like, Kapil Dev, what is happening here? And we, all of us, and I'm not kidding. It's not because I'm putting up this act or creating this story for an interview, but uh, all of us, we all had the same reaction. We turned our head twice. It's like a serial going on, slow
Uh,
motion. We are looking at twice, and it was like, what are we seeing here? I mean, it was. I mean, the resemblance. It was just unreal. I mean, you couldn't believe that the first time when you saw Ranveer as Kapil. I mean, we could only see Kapil Dev, which was just epic, and it's the same reaction that everyone's had since the first look has come out, and now the trailer.
so before I wrap up, I need to ask this. I can't leave you without asking this. Is your colleague Vicky Kaushal just got married? Your co-star got married. Please,
Yeah.
what you would like to say to the newlyweds?
I wish them. I am so happy for them. I wish them all the love and warm love, luck, success, all the best things I can wish them, because I know I've had again the fortunate fortune of working with Vicky, and he is genuinely a very warm, kind, great human being. I remember my days in Uri when he took care of me. He made me feel safe and secure. It was my first film, and those moments you really cherish. And I genuinely care for him. I love him, and I just wish the best to both of them.
Great. Thank you so much. Well, on that note, wishing you all the very best for 83 and all the other projects that you're going to be part of. Looking forward to your performance as Ravi Shastri.
Thank you, Anita, and I can't
Thank you,
wait for you
dear.
to watch it. Thank you for your time.